Hey everybody, it's Sharon here with L&A Little Flowers. It's too early. Can't speak. Okay, so in here I have my prepared oils. And today's scent I'm so excited for. It is an essential oil, so I am doing an all natural soap. And this is Orange Mid-Season Essential Oil from Nature's Garden, and it is absolutely wow. It smells just like orange juice, it's just amazing. All right, so that being said, and instead of using my Skin Safe colorant, I'm going to be trying something new, and I'm going to use carrot powder to color it a soft orange. And carrot powder, I looked up the benefits of using it on your skin. Is helps tone, elasticity. It's also an antioxidant. Hang on. I had to write this down, otherwise, because I apparently can't remember all this. So, carrot powder, when used on the skin, it repairs and tones skin, reduces wrinkles and scars, improves circulation, increases elasticity, and provides skin with beta-carotene, which is an antioxidant. Soap is extra good, and I'm using a small amount of white, which has a little bit of arrowroot, which is an odor absorbing, and then kale and clay, which is really good for the skin to make it soft, and just a tiny bit of white, but most of it will be this carrot. Okay, so let's make some soap. You have your prepared oils, and in goes the lye solution. And now I stick blend. Look at all that. Here it is. Here's the soap. Oh, look at all that beautiful soap. And this is a light trace, or a trace. There's a trace there. So you can see the little indents. Okay. Alright. And I'm going to pour off just a tiny amount. Okay. That much. And this will be my white, and I'm not going to scent that. The scent's going to go in here. Okay, but first I'm going to add my carrot powder. Okay, we'll try that. It doesn't smell like carrots. And some arrowroot powder.
Looks like TV.
Yeah, it's not. It's arrowroot.
That's neat.
It's And now we're going to put in, smell that.
Oh, that is amazing.
Okay.
Those are essential oils, right?
Yep. Definitely a contrast, so
Scoop these up.
definitely a contrast. That's what I'm going for. Now I'm going to have my top of the soap, going to put it on. And then on top of this, this is the only thing that wasn't made, but this is, you know, removed easily, are these little embeds, orange embeds. So, set it right on top there. So here it is, my orange soap, and I will come back in 18 to 24 hours and cut this up. Later. Beauty shot.
Who is this? What is this?
Beauty shot. Hey everybody, we're back. It's been almost 24 hours, so now we are going to cut. I think I have this lined up. All right. Up, hard. Oh. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. Can you see it? Just a hint of a little cream in there. It smells really good.
Smells like an orange.
An orange. And the carrot just gives a little something. You can still smell a little of the carrot, I think. And just and the carrot is a sweet smell, so it's a very luscious smelling bars, so. This will be fun. And I love the orange embeds. And yes, I did decide to add a little straw just to make it a little more appealing. So, yes. If you like this video, you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. And as always, happy crafting, and don't forget to check out my shop on Etsy, LNA Little Flowers. I have many bars of soaps and hair flowers and some mini albums on there. So thank you for watching, everybody. Later.